I'm back at the biggest IT show in Singapore happening at Suntec Convention Center. And the big question for all the brands and booths is to name me one product, because some of the booths have hundreds, even thousands of products. Wow. So it'll be interesting to see what they choose. Let's get on to the video. I'm at Dreamcore and the question is, name me one product.
I can name you the Dreamcore Spectre, featuring the APNX C1 chassis. It is the first mass-produced chassis with color shifting paint. If you take a look at it from different angles, you see that the paint changes color from a slight blue to a slight purple.
Okay, I get it.
Continuous side panel over here at the corner. Maximum airflow because you get to have fans in the front and over here at the sides.
Right, okay. Next booth, InvaderPC. Last year they went for a special anime build. This year is an affordable gaming Invader Master Series PC, costing only $878 for the 5600 AMD CPU and a Galaxy RTX 4060. I'm at Aftershock booth, haven't seen Marcus for months, and one question I have for you is, name me one product.
So that's such a hard answer to give you because we have products that are focused on price and deals, and also products that are kind of cool.
Yeah, I've seen some products.
Yeah, so we really have some really cool stuff at the booth this time around.
So which one will you want?
But hey, everybody knows our prices are very aggressive already, so let's go with the cool this time.
Okay, let's go.
Yep.
Which one?
If we take a look here, we have the Ultralights part of the business.
Yes.
And this where we do the really custom build, a full bubble tea line of PCs.
Bubble tea line.
Yeah. So the
I see.
Yeah, there's everything line. You can see even the boba moves and it's custom fabricated by us.
So which one will you?
So the really cool one is this one.
Okay.
So this is our bubble tea store build.
Okay.
So it's a custom fab, custom prints, and what's really cool about it, if you look inside the PC, you can actually see there's a literal bubble tea store in there. Like we actually had our craftsmen make a literal bubble tea store out of the GPU backplate. So this
it's a GPU backplate.
Yes,
right.
So it's not like we just chucked a bubble tea store parts in there. That's actually the GPU backplate that we customize. Wow. It actually has a function.
How you make the reservoir to be a...
So that's our own custom. We also custom make it. So the reservoir is a bubble tea cup.
Right.
That we customize. It's even boba and it will swirl.
Are you selling this?
Yes, we are. It's available for customization on the website now. So it really depends on what you're going for. But
so if let's say they want it to be pink, they also can.
All can be done. I mean, the idea of Ultra Labs is that you can do whatever the hell you want. We're not going to stop you. That's the purpose. This is just to showcase some of the things that we can do. What differentiates Aftershock from the rest of the competition in Singapore is that we're really trying to take artisan PC building into the picture, into the fold. Yeah, there's lots of great deals here, but this stuff is cool. I thought maybe we have a different flavor.
Yeah. That's good. Okay, thank you, Marcus.
No worries.
Always good to talk to you. Yeah. I'm at Mesh and name me one product.
One of the keyboards that we have now is the V5 Max.
Okay.
So for switches, these are silent tactile.
Okay.
Go for office.
Silent tactile.
Yes. These are for office workers.
Okay.
Yes, and then switches are blue and black, blue samurai. Tri-mode connectivity. What's that? Bluetooth, dongle, and wired. Yes, and it has the number pad. Good for office workers.
Yeah. So interesting. I never heard of silent tactile. But okay, cool. Thank you very much. I'm at Omnidesk and name me one product.
I'm going to name you the Omnidesk Ascent.
Okay.
Because there is a new launch in terms of tabletops now.
Which one is it?
This is the one.
Okay, this one. Okay.
That's right. We call it Ash. It comes in two different variants, okay? It comes in the light color one and also the darker color.
Oh, okay.
We've got heaps of promotions that are happening on these tabletops.
Okay.
When you do buy an ergonomic chair with us, purchase, with the desk, you get it at an awesome, phenomenal price starting at $269.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
Awesome. All right, thank you very much. Good to see you. Okay, we're at Apol and I'm gonna ask you, what is the one product you want me to feature?
Alright, so over here we have the Spy Family chair. This is actually our first ever collaboration with a popular anime series. Yeah, so Spy Family is actually a very popular anime series designed with our album series. So it's the same quality of material that we're actually using. All the embroidery that you see on the back and the front is all hand embroidered by our tailors.
Now we're at Ergotune and the question for you is, you must name me only one product.
Hexon?
Hexon, okay, which one?
It's the one over there.
Okay.
So this is our newest launch this year.
Yeah.
Come with a custom design, so integrated power supply, a flip up where it's easy to reach on the top. Quick snap modules. If you just push it, it snaps in place.
Damn, that's cool. Yeah. So wait, how much?
At 1159 for the table.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm at Secret Lab and the question is, name me one product.
Our flagship model of Titan Evo.
There are many designs. Which design will you chase? Attack on Titan?
Yes.
I don't know. Why you got it? I don't know.
You got a personal agenda. So it's got all the bells and whistles that you are looking for in a gaming chair.
Right.
So for instance, a magnetic head pillow that's height adjustable. On top of that, you have an inbuilt lava support system. That's something you won't be able to find in most competing brands.
Right. So if you get this chair now, it's at 714. and it's only at the IT Show 2024. My timing is so bad. Okay, next. I'm at Hisense. Name me one product.
Our special product is the U6 camera mini LED TV.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to it.
For this TV, if you buy now, you can get a free soundbar. Soundbar for free. The soundbar you can get is the 640 watt. This is start from the 55 inch. It start from 1,399.
Then anyone will get the free soundbar.
Anyone
Nice.
can get the free soundbar.
Okay, Ken, thank you very much. I'm at TCL. Name me one product.
Our 2024 newly launched model, C755. Basically, it's a QD mini LED, enhanced brightness, color contrast, and deeper black color.
Okay.
With HDR, with 144 Hz, can go for gaming everything. It's suitable for gaming and better movie experience.
Okay, awesome. Thank you very much. Every IT show there is a instant lucky dip, and I'm gonna ask, what is the best price, or in your opinion, what the best price you think you can win?
Maybe a smart sofa or a massage chair.
Oh, fingers crossed. So I just take, is it? Alright, I did my hand. Come on, massage chair.
Yeah.
33, voucher. Oh, Elon Tech. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Okay, I'm at Elon Tech, and actually I have two questions for you. But the first question is, name me one product.
Our Gen 3 power bank.
Okay, why?
Why? It is fast charging, it is slim, it is durable.
I have another question for you because I got this lucky dip 5-second challenge.
Okay, so this is a game, right, that you can play as long as you join our Telegram group chat. Yes. So
okay.
if you land on 5 seconds on the dot, 5.00, then you get a free power bank.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. So this is practice first, huh?
Yeah, anytime you want.
Okay.
To start. 4.86, almost there. Very close.
Ooh!
Okay, so now it's the real one.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5.
5.51.
So what did I win?
Don't win anything. I'm so sorry.
This is my first time at Home Appliances Products, and we are at Dreame. Name me one product.
My favorite will be the H13 Pro.
Okay, come. What is the H13 Pro? Wow, we're going very far.
Front propelling and back propelling. Top of that is a wet and dry vacuum.
And it's battery powered.
Yes, it's the battery pack over here.
Lastly will be the self-cleaning.
Self-cleaning.
See, it actually has hot water and hot air drying.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So you can just go.
Oh, right. Right. It's the same as the robot vacuum also lah.
Yes.
I have that. We have that in the office. Yes. And that's it for IT Show 2024. There's actually a lot of giveaways for this show. Post on IG for Aftershock laptop. There's a lot of OSIM chair and the lucky instant dip that I did just now. And if you ask me whether it's worth coming, it really depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for things like gaming chairs, desks, laptops where you need to come down and try, this is the best location because all the brands are in one spot. You can try, test, compare. So yeah, that's always my opinion. So let me know what you think about this year's IT Show 2024. Yeah, if any questions, leave it down in the comments and I'll see you next time, and I'm done.